Moving towards our next topic, exercise 7.5. Question number 1 is write these fractions appropriately as addition or subtraction. So first in A part, one fraction out of 5 it is shaded, one part out of 5 it is shaded. So what will be the fraction? 1 by 5. Similarly here the two parts are shaded out of 5. So what will be the fraction? 2 by 5. And in our answer, the three parts out of 5 are shaded. So we have written the fraction as 3 by 5. So what will be the sign coming here in the middle? It will be one fraction is there and 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. So all these two equals to 3 by 5th of the fraction. Now here in the B part, all the 5 parts out of 5 are shaded. So we have written 5 by 5. And here 3 parts out of 5 have been shaded. And in answer it is 2 parts. So lesser parts are there. It means we need to subtract. So 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5, it is equals to 2 by 5. Similarly in the C part, it is 2 fractions are 2 circles are shaded out of 6. So the fraction it is 2 by 6. Here 3 parts out of 6 have been shaded. So it will be 3 by 6. And in answer, how many parts have been shaded? 5 parts out of 6 have been shaded. So how we can write it? It will be written with the addition sign, because 2 plus 3 it is equals to 5. So we will write 2 by 6 plus, which operation will come here? Plus, and 3 by 6 it is 5 by 6. Moving towards our next question, it is question number 2. It is solve 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. When we have to add the fractions, see, first of all we have to see if we are having the like denominators. Then it is very easy when we are having the like denominators. So 18, and we will add the numerators. The denominator we write one time and we add the numerator. So it will be 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 it is 2 by 18. So now if you want to make it into the simplest form, you can do it. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. So what our answer becomes? It becomes 1 by 9. Similarly, the B part, the denominators are same. So we will write the denominator only one time and we will add the fractions. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 it is 11 by 15. Now 11 and 15, they are not divisible by any common number. So it means they are in their simplest form. Fine. Now the C part, here the operation between the fraction it is subtraction. It is same only as we have done addition. 7 we will write one time the denominator. So 7 minus 5 it is 2 by 7. It will be the answer as they are not divisible by any common number. Next in the D part we will write 22. Same denominator, we will write the denominator once and then we will add 1 plus 21. 1 plus 21 it is 22. Denominator also 22, and we can divide it and make it in our simplest form. 1 by 1, the fraction we can write as simply 1. So this is the answer. Now next question, next part, it is the E part. Now it is 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. So same denominators, we have written the denominator one time, and 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 it is 5 by 15, and 5 and 15 it is divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Similarly, we will do the F, G and H part. Here operation it is add in between 5 and 8 plus 3 by 8. So 8 we will write one time and add the numerators. 5 plus 3, 8. Now the fraction becomes 8 by 8. 8 by 8 we can write it as 1. Now see students, this question it is very important. The G part, it is a different type of question here. So here it is 1 minus 2 by 3. Now this 1, it is not having the denominator, it is having, or we can say it is having the denominator 1. Now in this case the denominators are not same, so we have written 1. We can write 1 as 3 by 3. Why we have written this 3 by 3? Because here the denominator of our was 3. So we have changed 1 by 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now our denominator is same. So we will write the denominator once, and 3 minus 2 it is 1. Now in the h part, the fraction, it is 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4. So 0 by 4 fraction, it means simply 0, and 1 by 4 plus 0, the same answer will come 1 by 4. Now moving towards the third question, it is Shubham painted 2 by 3 of a wall space in his room, and his sister Madhvi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint all together? So how much fraction this the Shubham painted? Shubham painted 2 by 3 of a wall, and his sister painted the same 1 by 3, same wall 1 by 3 of the same wall. So together they painted. So together means, it means what we have to do, we have to add both the fractions. Denominators same, so we will write denominator one time and 2 plus 1. So it becomes 3 by 3. 3 and 3, it is divisible by 3, so 1. So answer came 1. It means one full wall they have painted all together. So you will write one full wall they have painted. They have painted. Question number 5, it is fill in the missing fractions. Here you have to fill in the blank, the missing fractions. See here. So 7 by 10 minus, answer it is 3 by 10. Denominators are same, so it means here also denominator will be same. So 7 minus which number it is? 3. It is 4. So our fraction becomes 4 by 10. Now here also the fractions, it is there, same denominator is there, it means here also 21 will come, and above it is 3. So we should subtract 3 from which number? So my answer, it is 5. From which number we can subtract? 8. 8 minus 3, it is 5. Now here also it is 3 by 6, and in the answer also it is 3 by 6. So we can subtract. From which number we should subtract? Denominator will come 6, because in both the cases here the denominator are 6. It means here also the 6 denominator will come. And what will come here? We have to see here what will come. So what can come? Here it will be 6, because 6 minus 3, it is 3. Denominators will remain same. Similarly in the D part, denominator it will be 27. So 5 added to which number gives us 21? So what we should add in 5 so that we get 12? Sorry. So that we get 12. 5 added to which number we get 12? We should add what in 5? We should add 7, because 7 plus 5, it is 12. Now last question of the exercise, it is question number 5th. Javed was given 5/7 of the basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? He was given 5/7 of a basket. Fine. So one full basket of oranges was there first. So one full basket means 1, and how we can write this one? 7 by 7. Very important, why we have written here 7 by 7. I would have written 3 by 3 also. I would have written 4 by 4 also. Why I have written 7 by 7? Because it was in the question 5 by 7. Here the denominator it was 7. So we have to select the fraction in which the denominator it is 7. That's why only we have selected here 7 by 7. So the basket of oranges he was given 5 by 7, and how many was left? So we will subtract 1 minus 5 by 7. Now the value for this one, it is 7 by 7. So denominator same. So 7 is the denominator and 5 minus 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 it is 2 by 7. So oranges, fraction of the oranges left in the basket, it is 2 by 7. Thank you.